Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Audi Allroad Quattro. This four-door wagon has a 6-cylinder, 2-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.